Hey guys, I'm Danny Light, and this is how to hardstyle for beginners. In this video I will show you how you can make a Screech. I pretty much pre-made it, and I will show you the settings you can copy. There I made some simple pattern for the Screech. Two parts. One is the pitch, and this one is pitch up. Just okay, you hear now. Let's hear and let's begin. Personally like this second part more. Okay, let's start. First of all, start with the SPIRE. Simply copy the settings. This one doesn't matter because I just tried, and this one also you don't have to do anything with the cutoff. Pitch, oscillator A, little bit decay, and oscillator 2, same settings, and give that fade in. I'll show you. And if you the other side, you get this pitch clicky effect. This is your personal taste. I will go disable all the effects right now. Delay, reverb. Oscillator A, just two voices, detune totally up, and a little bit of the wide. This is stereo. Basically same for the oscillator 2, little bit more volume than oscillator 1, 3 voices this time, and nothing special here. Oscillator 3 is basically noise, 2 voices and 3 octaves up. And here also nothing really, mono signal to the center. 3 voices, detune almost all the way up, and this is all about the oscillators. LFO, this have quite a lot LFO stuff. You can copy the settings. Oscillator A, oscillator 1, oscillator 2. Rate is step 3 and around 750. You can see parameters there. LFO 2, oscillator 4 pitch, and there again some oscillator 4. Sorry, I wanted to say it in Estonian. Okay, about effects, some warm distortion, drive up, drive it also up, chorus, just little bit of the chorus, some EQing, pretty much like you make hardstyle lead. Then I make automation with this pitch wheel, like you can see it here. Then I add some phaser to make movement in the Screech. For the next tremolo, I believe you can find this free or even your DAW will have it, pretty much should have. And I also add here some, for longer notes, I add a little bit more tremolo. Notes is little bit longer, then I add even more the tremolo effect, and here I go totally maximum, and it sounds like this. Then I add fuzz filter, saturation, and just color, and hip hop puncher too, and I don't edit anything there. Let's hear with it and without. Add some color to the lead, and there I cut out the lows and just a tiny bit of high end. And VC2A compressor, I really like this compressor. Simple and works very well. Then I, like usually, some send reverb and delay. And all together. And sometimes what I like to do, bouncing this last part and stretch it like this. Stretch it out and get some different sounds. And you can later just play with it and make different sounding screeches and patterns. And this is basically how you make the screech with the serum. I hope you like this video. And if you want to support my work, you can check out my store and basically grab anything you like. I have the serum sets, Sylenth1 sets, Hardstyle melody packs, and a lot of the stuff. Really a lot, and I do pretty much very cheap. This is ultimate kits and just for 45. And also now every end of the month I will give you away, if you buy at least for 20 euros, you will get this absolute key. You can later grab anything you want in the website, and you will save up to actually even more than 500 euros. Just buy at least at 20 euros and you will have it. There we have with D-Tunes big, no, it's not big, actually somewhere I have this huge set you can check out. And see you in next video. By the way, the winner will be at end of the month, I believe every month at 31, in February 28, and like so. In the video I think I will make the live stream, and in the live video we will see who win this key. Okay, see you in next video, and I hope you like it. See you.